If you were launching a brand new ute into some thick competition, the first order of business would be to make a big splash. And the 2026 Kia Tasman did exactly that. But here is what Ford and Toyota do not want you to know. This Korean underdog just exposed how overpriced and under-equipped their utes have become. After testing the Tasman, I finally understand why the established brands are nervous. Let me show you what they are trying to hide. The Kia Tasman comes with 6 trim levels at present. Pricing starts at $42,990, but the one that has Ford and Toyota worried is the range-topping X Pro at $74,990. Now here is where things get interesting. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak cost $69,190. The Toyota HiLux GR Sport sits at $74,310. So the Tasman appears more expensive on paper, right? Wrong. Because when you see what you actually get for that money, the established brands look like they have been ripping you off for years. The Tasman X Pro comes with X Trek and Rock off-road modes, a Harman Kardon premium sound system, underbody protection, heated rear seats, ventilated front seats, memory settings, ambient lighting throughout the cabin, 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, a heated steering wheel, and here is the kicker: a sunroof. Show me a Ranger or HiLux with a factory sunroof. You cannot. That is in addition to dual wireless phone chargers, blind spot cameras, twin 12.3-inch screens, remote parking assistance, and a tub liner, all standard. But here is the real secret Ford and Toyota do not want you knowing about: the warranty. Kia offers 7 years, unlimited kilometers. Ford, 3 years, 100,000 kilometers. Toyota, 3 years, 100,000 kilometers. That means after 3 years, when your Ranger or HiLux warranty expires, the Tasman still has 4 years of coverage left. 4 years. Do the math on what that peace of mind is worth. And the tech? This is where the Tasman really embarrasses the competition. Highway Driving Assist 2 combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering to perform autonomous lane changes under the right conditions. The Ranger and HiLux do not have anything close to this. The safety feature count on the Tasman is right up there with luxury SUVs, not utes. Autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, driver attention monitoring, all standard. In my time testing the Tasman, I was impressed with how the safety technology worked in the real world. There were no undue reactions from the autonomous emergency braking. The lane change action from the HDA2 worked beautifully. The adaptive cruise control kept appropriate distance behind the car ahead. This is technology that makes long drives less exhausting. And Ford and Toyota charge extra for far less capable systems. So can a Kia beat Ford and Toyota? In features, tech, warranty, and value, it is not even close. The Tasman wins decisively. In brand loyalty, that is the only thing Ford and Toyota have left. And that is exactly why they do not want you test driving this ute. Because once you sit in the Tasman and see what $75,000 actually gets you compared to a Ranger or HiLux at the same price, the spell breaks. You realize you have been paying premium prices for average equipment. The Tasman is not just good for a Kia. It is better than what Ford and Toyota are selling. And that is the truth they do not want you discovering.